One type of source tends to give students headaches: sources without authors. In most parenthetical citations, for example, the students expect to provide the author's last name. Many websites, like government publications, don't list an author. Fortunately, MLA has a straightforward method for citing sources that do not list an author. When writing a works cited entry for a source without an author, simply skip the author and provide the next element of the entry. The works cited entry is easy enough, but the parenthetical citation can take a little more work. Remember that parenthetical citations always give readers the first thing from the relevant works cited entry. That way, readers can simply scan down the left side of the works cited page and find the entry you're referring to. Put the first 1 to 3 words of this title into your parenthetical citation. Surround these words with quotation marks, as you would wherever you write this title in your essay. If you gave readers the title of an article in a signal phrase, do not include it in the parenthetical citation. As a reminder, this is only what to do when a source does not tell you the author. When a source lists an author, only provide that in the parenthetical citation.